Okay, so I came down to cook and I made a ham. So look, they didn't have any, look at that ham, it's so good. They didn't have any sliced pineapple, so we used crushed, and oh my God. I put it, the juice and, the honey, brown sugar, the butter, cornstarch, in the pan. Heat that up, put it in the bottom of the pan. I'll give you the recipe to this when I'm done because I'm going to upload it. So that's that ham. That's a honey glazed brown sugar ham. Then there's some mac and cheese, candy yams, cornbread, mustard, turnips, collards, and cabbage, and potato salad. And that's that. So, anyways, oh, I got this juice in here I want to show you. Wait a minute. Let me open up this. I want to show you this. In here, this is some of the juice from the ham. See the crushed pineapples in there? There's cloves in there, cinnamon, a little hit of ginger, a little hit of vinegar. Oh my God. It's good. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down. Okay, just want to show you that. Usually, on holidays, I don't go live because it's too much to talk and try to get all the food and stuff done, so I don't do a live. But I will post and tell you how I did everything that you see, okay? Hope your Resurrection Sunday is good to you. See you later.